but if your gauge is small, you can double it. With the bead accessory, I will be using a pipe bead 22, then one pipe bead big one, and 2 ounce. As for the silver, I will be using 4 silver, and then the cap bead silver I will use 8. First is the big pipe bead, next is the horn. Take another horn to this other side. So I pass the other side, you have it like this. This is how it look like now. Next, I will pick the cap bead, then I will pass it like this. I pass it through my fishing line, the cap bead. The next one, I will pick the pipe bead. Next, another cap bead. So this is it. Then I will do the same thing to the other side. So this is what we have. So next, I will pick the silver, this silver. I will do the same thing to the other side. So this is what we have now. Next is the cap bead. So I'll put the cap bead here. Let's see, possible. Next, I will pick this pipe bead and one cap bead to cover it. Then I will do the same thing to the other side. So this is what we have now. I will do the same thing to this other side. Next, I will pick a 3 pipe bead this side and 3 pipe bead the other side. You see? So I will repeat the same thing to the other side. This is what we have now. Next is the silver. The same thing to the other side. Now, I will add the 2 beads here on the other side as well. So this is what we have. Yeah, this is what we have now. But if you want it more longer, you can add more BB. This is what we have now. So we don't need a hook. It's a long necklace. So I will just only tie it. So follow up as I do it now. You have to tie it very tight. So after you tied for maybe like 2 or 3 times, then you pass your thread through or your needle through the bead, maybe like 2 bead. Then you can retie here again. So you pass your needle again, your thread through the bead. Now I want to cut it. I will drag it very well. I will drag it very well to cut it so that the thread will not be visible. So I will repeat the same thing to the other side.